Don't react to recoil. Lean into it and slowly squeeze. Slowly squeeze.
Oh!
Index your finger. Index your finger. Right. Relax. Go into the. Get in the ready position. Get in the ready position. Take your breath.
Breathe once in a while.
And if there's nothing in there, watch what happens to the front sight. You just keep that front sight
Don't
steady.
you disappoint me.
Slowly squeeze through. Now slowly.
Yeah.
Get in the ready position. Once you squeeze the trigger, you pull the trigger, what happens to the barrel?
Yeah.
Anticipation.
Slowly squeeze through. Beautiful. Index your finger and get in the ready position.
Yeah.
Watch what happens to the front sight. Focus on the front sight, cradle it in the rear sight, slowly squeeze. Index your finger and get in the ready position. Don't pull it so fast. Slowly squeeze through. When you pull it, the barrel's jumping all over the place. You don't hit what you're aiming at. Index your finger. Get in the ready position.
I think
Bring
I'm
it
out.
up. Slowly squeeze through.